catalyze the development process of the state. I'm also thankful to AICT and all the worthy members from
Good afternoon to all respected guests from the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, AICT, IC members, faculty mentors and fellow innovators. I am Tushar Ram, Student Innovation Ambassador from VVIT Purnia, guided by our IC President Dr. Aniket Manas. It is an honor to represent my institution at IC Regional Meet 2025. Today I will speak on the role of Innovation Ambassador in driving IC. In the next few minutes, I will cover who an Innovation Ambassador is, responsibilities, contribution at VVIT, achievements, Bihar Innovation Ecosystem, roadmap for the future. So, this presentation highlights VVIT's innovation efforts under the IIC framework, how Innovation Ambassador contribute to strengthening institutional innovation. So, let's begin. Ambassador. An Innovation Ambassador is a trained representative in MIC-IC framework. We promote innovation, design thinking, problem solving and entrepreneurship on campus. We act as a bridge connecting students, faculties, industry mentors and national level. Our role is in student teams, guiding them from problem identification to idea development, prototyping and pitching. Then supporting IC activities and reporting, ensuring proper documentation and contributing to better IC ratings. Promoting innovation culture, encouraging students to think differently and participate actively. These responsibilities help shape an innovation-driven mindset on campus. The activities at VVIT. So, at VVIT, Innovation Ambassador plays a key role in executing IIC initiatives, coordinating IIC calendar events, align campus activities with the official IIC calendar, ensuring timely execution and maximum student engagement throughout the academic year. Encouraging student leadership, identify the nurture students leaders who can champion innovation initiative, creating a sustainable pipeline in change makers. Facilitating expert sessions, organizing guest lectures, industry interactions and mentorship sessions with entrepreneurs, investors and innovation experts. Support Atal ITC and Startup Bihar program, aligning with state and national innovation mission. Together these efforts make VVIT a vibrant innovation hub. Our activities have yielded strong results. VVIT ranked 7th in IIC Consortium Bihar. All departments have active innovation groups. National level participants, students actively join SIH Toyathon, hackathons, MIC challenges and Startup India programs. Industry interactions, expert sessions and drives have helped students secure internship innovation spirit at VVIT. So, mentoring beyond campus. I also mentored school students during the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025, guiding them in smart air quality monitoring system and intelligent plant care. Major innovation projects developed. So first project is IntelliSphere, an AI IoT based home automation system. Bihar's innovation ecosystem. Bihar's innovation ecosystem is expanding with strong support from HEI Bihar, BST Bihar and Startup Bihar. They provide funding, incubation and mentorship. A startup culture is emerging with growing your participation. VVIT contributes by connecting students the state's programs, promoting rural innovation awareness, encouraging first generation learners, ensuring participation across departments. We also align with national missions like Viksit Bharat and VR Innovation Growth. Next is future roadmap and conclusion. To accelerate our progress, we have planned the following roadmap. Innovation clubs in every department with structured monthly activities. Mentor-mentee innovation program connecting students to alumni, industry experts and faculty mentors. Collaboration with IITs and NITs and industry for advanced training and joint projects. Strengthening institutional ranking, support NAC, NET and IIC scoring. So, now come to conclusion. Innovation ambassadors are not just event organizers.